Have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered, where did my energy, my spark, my vitality go? If you're over 60, you might feel like age is slowing you down. But what if I told you that you can reclaim that vibrant, confident version of yourself? I'm Dr. Elise Donovan, and today I'm sharing a science-backed roadmap to help you feel energized, strong, and alive. No matter your age, stick with me for the next 8 minutes, and I'll give you practical tools, including a game-changing smoothie recipe and 5 powerful exercises to reignite your passion for life. Let's dive in. Your best years are still ahead. Chapter 1. Why vitality fades as a why vitality fades. Doctor, I've seen countless patients over 60 who feel tired, sluggish, or disconnected. The truth. It's not just aging. Your vitality is influenced by 3 key factors: hormones, circulation, and stress after 30 testosterone drops, about 1% per year. But poor diet, lack of exercise, and chronic stress can accelerate this decline. Think of your blood vessels as highways over time. They can clog, reducing blood flow to vital organs, including those tied to energy and intimacy and stress. It floods your body with cortisol, which zaps testosterone and leaves you drained. But here's the exciting part. You can reverse these effects with simple, natural changes. Curious about how? Let's keep going. Chapter 2. What makes you magnetic? What makes you magnetic? Let's talk about what truly makes you irresistible as you age. Spoiler alert. It's not about looking like you're 30 again. It's about confidence, wisdom, and emotional intelligence. As a mature adult, you've earned those laugh lines. They're badges of a life well lived. Women, men, and friends alike are drawn to someone who's comfortable in their skin, listens deeply, and lives with purpose. Vulnerability isn't weakness, it's a superpower that builds connection. So how do you cultivate this? Pursue a hobby, volunteer or mentor someone, find what lights you up. I had a patient, Tom, who at 58 rekindled his love for painting. Not only did it boost his confidence, but his wife said it brought back the spark in their marriage. What's a passion you've been meaning to revisit? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to power up your body. Here, Chapter 3, power up your body. 4 through 6 minutes. Your body is your vehicle for vitality. So let's keep it in top shape. Strength training, like squats, boosts testosterone and builds muscle. Start light, aim for 3 sets of 10 reps, 3 times a week. Flexibility is just as crucial. Try the world's greatest stretch to loosen your hips and feel agile cardio, like brisk walking or dancing. Gets your blood flowing, aim for 150 minutes a week. And don't skip sleep. 7 to 10 hours in a cool, dark room works wonders for hormone production. Finally, stress less with box breathing. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, repeat for 5 minutes. I had a patient, Frank, who went from couch potato to running 5Ks at 60 by starting with these habits. Which one will you try? First, let me know in the comments. The Vitality Boost Smoothie. Chapter 4. The Vitality Boost Smoothie. Now, let's fuel your body with a delicious secret weapon, the Vitality Boost Smoothie. This isn't just a drink, it's a nutrient-packed powerhouse blend. A cup of spinach for magnesium, a banana for energy, half a cup of blueberries for antioxidants, half a cup of Greek yogurt for protein, 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds for zinc, a teaspoon of maca powder for libido, and a cup of almond milk. Blend for 60 seconds, and you've got a smoothie that supports hormones, fights inflammation, and keeps you energized. One of my patients, John, started drinking this daily and felt a surge in energy within 2 weeks. Want the full recipe? It's your next steps below. Chapter 5. Your next steps. You don't need pills or gimmicks to thrive in your golden years. Start small. Pick one habit today. Maybe it's the smoothie, a daily walk, or scheduling that checkup. Commit to it for 30 days and watch how your energy and confidence soar. Aging isn't about decline. It's about evolving into the best version of you, wise, vibrant, and full of life. I'm rooting for you, so tell me, what's one step you're taking today to reclaim your vitality? Share it in the comments and let's inspire each other. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs a boost. Let's build a community of thriving, confident seniors. Your body is capable of incredible things at any age. Embrace this journey with curiosity and courage. I'm Dr. Elise Donovan, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay vibrant, stay strong, and keep exploring the amazing potential within you.